Welcome to our mid-century modern DIY van build. We started this project in 2022 by researching different RVs. Ultimately, we decided to do a van build because we wanted something compact, something easy to drive and easy to park. Our interior finishes were inspired by the mossy forests and gray sandy beaches of Vancouver Island. We chose not to have a fixed bed or a stand-up shower. Instead, we designed the van with a hidden bed and a hidden bath. Our wish list included a refrigerator, a freezer, AC, and heated floors. Our green chenille fabric and mother of pearl tiles are a nod to beautiful Vancouver Island. Our large sink and long countertop make cooking together easy. The countertops are made of white epoxy resin with iridescent glitter. We wanted to stay with a mid-century modern look, so we decided not to have knobs and handles on our drawers and cupboards. From start to finish, it took a couple of years to design and engineer our build. 2026, we are finished and we are ready for some adventures on the road. We'll be posting future videos with details on our hidden bed and our hidden bath. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.